Okay, at Marina San Pablo. It is April 27th, 2023. This is Dade, and I'm with DS Diving Service. A couple of observations that I noted. The growth on the transom and the starboard side were pretty significant. The growth of the port side was not as significant. My suggestion is that since the sun comes up over on this side, it sets that way, and you have that building for protection, that maybe you switch the direction of your boat and aim the bow out that way. That way, your transom will not grow quite as fast, and it will save the bottom paint a little longer. The other thing is, switch at different times of the year. That way, both sides of the paint open up evenly. But this side of the paint will get worn out a little bit faster because it's growing harder, and we have to paint more aggressively. Also, your trim tabs are showing some signs of electrolysis, a little bit of corrosion going on in them. I don't see where trim tabs are supposed to, or where zincs are supposed to bolt on. I would suggest having some a spot put where they can't be. Let's take a look at those trim tabs first. The red is going to be the corrosion. Okay, I do see the spot for this anode now. We do need to get an anode on here soon, and I need the trim tabs in the down position to be able to do that.